Welcome back. Today we're going to block the truck, see if we need more primer. We're going to need more primer on the door because I only put one coat on it because I was running out of primer. So that's going to be just bodywork, something that you guys aren't really going to want to watch. So good thing to get into is some guide coat. Get all over your primer areas, and then we're going to block it with 320, then some 400, and then we're going to see what we have. The whole truck's being sealed, so I'm lucky I don't need to go no higher than a 400 on a color change. Okay guys, the truck has been sanded with 320 on the box. I have some wax and grease remover, and a good thing you can do when you're sanding is if you soak your panel, mind you, I probably should have blown this off some, but if you soak it with some wax and grease remover, what you can do is, when it comes time, you can look down the side of it, and that's how it's going to look when the clear's on it. So when it's painted and stuff. So if it's ripply, it means it's going to be ripply. If it's dent, then that's a dent that you missed. Now this is going to be a little ripply because I didn't clean the dust off, as you can see. But just gives you a good idea of what it's going to look like. And then here's the piece that we rebuilt from scratch. That was like 5 pieces destroyed. So if you soak it and you look down the side and you see that there's no dents or nothing, that is what you're looking for. So that's only 320. We're going to be sanding it with 400 and blocking it down some more to get the little bit of ripples out if there is any. But that gives you an idea of what to look forward to. Doesn't look that bad. Thanks a lot, guys. Wow, doesn't look that bad. So stay tuned. We're gonna do the other side now, and then do the 400. We're gonna clean this off first. We're basically tearing apart the entire front suspension. So upper and lower control arms, inner and outer tie rods, wheel bearings, spindles. Guys, we got, and also taking the torsion keys because we got new drop ones, and also the spindles as well are drop spindles. So we'll lower down the front, the kind of match with the rear a little bit more. Not with California style. It's only been 2 years. Yeah, it hasn't been that long, has it? Jesus. It's been 2 years at the back. It's been 2 years this truck's been sitting in my garage. Yeah. That is kind of sad. So we're going to do that. We're going to show you guys how to do the front suspension. Torsion keys, like Triple was saying. And we're going to have some fun. Truck gets painted next weekend. So that's another thing. And as you see here, we have our spindles, wheel bearings, upper, lower control arms, tie rods, ball joints, inner, outer, pitman arms. Basically a lot of money. So enjoy, and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're gonna heat up the control arm where the torsion key goes through so we can bang it out. Unfortunately, it's what we have to do. We're gonna turn all the rust first. I wonder if we should move that air hose. To play it safe. It should be good. You want glasses? I thought there was a pair in here.
My hat up on top of there.
Where's your hat at?
Oh, good up there.
Okay, so welcome back to my hell. What is going on here, and we never noticed it, is if you look at your lower cross member, you'll see at one point in time, it was hit right here. So it's shoved up and back a little bit, which is stopping the control arm from going back into its hole, because it looks like it's rolled up a little bit. So now we need to remove the sway bar so we can get a swing at it to try to bring it back down a little bit. So that's where we're at. Unfortunately, we don't have a frame machine here. I'm pretty sure that the alignment on this truck was pretty good to begin with. And it's gonna get it realigned anyways, because we were doing upper and lower control arms and drop spindles and torsion keys. So if it doesn't align, then we're gonna have to take it to a frame machine and pull it on the frame machine. I'm hoping that is not the case in this situation, but you know, it is what it is. And I did find on the back side of this cross member there's a hole now, so now I gotta weld that up. So you'll see that the old lower control arm bushing is beat sideways, you see here. I'm gonna assume that was from the impact. So that is where we're at right now. And this one's actually sticks out a little bit, so that could probably be a little bit of both. So that's where we're at, hoping to get the side done, and then the other side we'll have to figure out what we're doing. Thanks guys, stay tuned.